This is the ant's greatest enemy, an animal that can eat thousands of them in a single day. But when a larger predator tries to attack it, it gets confused, wondering where the creature's head is. That's because its long snout, legs, and bushy tail all blend together, making it difficult for predators to tell which end is which. This is the giant anteater, and it's considered the ultimate foe of ants. It uses its 2-foot-long, incredibly sticky tongue to slurp ants right out of their nests. And since it has no teeth, this clever animal swallows sand and small pebbles to help grind up the insects in its stomach.